really just wanna see you. Oh, Chongqing. Hey, hey, Chongqing. Hey, I wanna see you, Chongqing. Show me, show me, show me. Skyscrapers touch the sky so blue. Neon lights and city hues. Mountains and buildings all around. Just don't look down. Hey, hey, Chongqing. Hey, I wanna see you, Chongqing. Show me, show me, show me. Neon light glows, the river flows. In this city, life just grows from the views we see. Chongqing, wild and free. Hey, hey, Chongqing. Hey, I wanna see you, Chongqing. Show me, show me, show me. Show me, show me, Chongqing. Chongqing, I wanna see you, Chongqing. Oh, show me, Chongqing. Skyscrapers touch the sky so blue. Neon lights and city hues. Mountains and buildings all around. Just don't look down. Hey, hey, Chongqing. Hey, I wanna see you, Chongqing. Show me, show me, show me. Show me, show me, Chongqing. Chongqing. Just show me, Chongqing. Won't you show me, Chongqing?
Okay, so this one right here is St. Joseph's Church, and from this angle it looks like you got kind of Rubik cube designs, which is kind of cool. But we're gonna go inside and kind of explore it and give it an idea what it all looks like and show it to you. And I'm also gonna show you some of the information it has outside as well. So I was gonna say hello, but he turned around. So let's stay tuned, and we're gonna do St. Joseph's Church here. All right, Chongqing, we got St. Joseph's Church. This was actually really cool. It's right in the peninsula. I'll put it up on the map. So I was able to, I kind of saw it from a tall building earlier, which I didn't film, and I just really wanted to check it out. And it has like this interesting like Rubik's Cube. I'll talk about that as well when you hear the walk and talk part. You just saw the video part. Oh, by the way, so the maps are up there as well. I usually play the video. I created that with AI, and then the lyrics are coming up now too. And without further ado, I know you're just here to see St. Joseph's Church, so you want to view it as if you were there yourself. So let's do it. Come on, walk and talk time, Chongqing. So this is St. Joseph's Church, and we're gonna wander around in there and kind of show you what it looks like. The lighting is just coming on too, so that's actually pretty big positive. And what we're gonna do next is we're going to highlight some of the information out here, including these street signs like this one. So St. Joseph's Church, 1893, Catholic, 1702, from France, I guess. I don't know what that guy's doing. Okay. Covered with ivy as well. Oh, he's gonna run across. Anyways, we're gonna go down and just check out St. Joseph's Church. And we got kind of a cool looking Rubik square design as well. Here's one other thing that we should show you before we go into that. St. Joseph's Church. Okay. So you can always stop and look at that if you so desire. So we're gonna go on down and try to give a feel for it. The lighting is just about perfect. I didn't realize that the church would light up like that in the evening. It says Lily Church Hotel, so it's actually possibly part of a hotel. So it looks like there's going to be a square down there. And I think this one is actually a hotel. It says ring the doorbell. So that would be I don't know. Maybe that's for after hours. Oh, this is actually a hotel. Okay. So actually this is a hotel in here? Or a church? I don't know. But we do have some really beautiful stuff like this Mother Mary statue. Can't be a hotel, can it? So I'm gonna see. I don't know. Looks like this. Maybe that is a hotel. Maybe that part is the hotel, and then this part is the church. Maybe. So I'm just gonna walk around. Yeah, I guess that is a hotel. It's crazy. Then I guess this is the church. And nobody's saying anything to me, so that means I might be able to just walk in like a tourist, because maybe that's okay. Information, so oh, there's actually an elevator right there too. Meeting room. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go out and walk around the building. That's probably the church entrance. We got the Stations of the Cross there too. The Ascension. So I guess, so I'm not sure if I can go in or not, right? Nobody's saying anything, so I'm gonna go around. I'm gonna go around the building. So we're gonna go out and around. Lily Church Hotel. So let's just go down to this courtyard. We'll see if we can go in a square around it. If not, that's okay. Yeah, this is funny. I didn't expect to see this today. I knew I wanted to come back and film this because I saw it on day one when I was walking around with my luggage. But I just didn't think I'd come across it, especially this time of the evening. So there's actually apartments in here, as you can see. The St. Joseph's Church is right there. And I guess what we're gonna do is just walk around the circle part of it. Pretty crazy. Let me just kind of see here. So I don't even know if we can go in a full circle around it, but looks like there's a park right over there. That's the inside of the church. Looks like lockers. Got a cat. The cat right there. There he goes. Okay, so that's one way we can go out, but I think what we're going to do instead is go around the building. And it looks like we have another entrance here. Tour map of St. Joseph's Church. So yeah, we're just gonna go around it. It's funny how all these buildings came up around it, right? I didn't expect this at all. And like, you know, what's St. Joseph and what's not? Because there's a hotel inside the gate. It's kind of confusing, and there's definitely a community all right on the same block as well. There's actually apartments right there as well. You can sit outside over here. They got like little game tables there. Wow, look at that view. So from up here, there's actually a view of the city as well. Yeah, that one's got like tables. So it looks like we could go down that way, or we could go down this way. Actually, that's another rooftop, so that rooftop, you know, would go way down below as well. And you can see the skyline that's across the river. Those other ones on the other side, their lights are already coming on. So we're gonna go back into the St. Joseph's and just kind of see if we can go all the way around in a circle or not. Looks like we can. Wow. Didn't expect that at all. I mean, I did, but then there's a moment where I didn't think. I wasn't sure if it was defined enough. Oh, this is kind of crazy. So we're just all in apartments right now, and there's elevators, outdoor elevators that go to the apartments. And then it says St. Joseph's Church, right? And it's also in Korean. Youngsodong. Lee-sing Golbo. Oh, I was looking at the Korean characters. So I guess to go down to St. Joseph's, we have to go down. Okay. So let's go down. Yeah, it's funny. I think elevator, it's like an outdoor elevator just to move people up and down in here. There's like 3 elevators. And they're all right here in the St. Joseph's complex. There's another cat up there. Don't scare that cat. Looks like he's gonna go get something. Gonna get a moving. Now he's gonna lick himself and scratch himself. So there's park benches here, and we'll meander through back to St. Joseph's. And I think St. Joseph's is now up there. We will see. It's so strange just to go around St. Joseph's and have this much things around the building. Somebody's kitchen. Okay, so now we're out on a street. I don't know what happened to St. Joseph's. Oh, I think I know what happened. So I think we are out on the street now. I got a fast moving car, honking a horn. Okay, so we're gonna just go back to where the entrance was. That's kind of cool. So that was basically St. Joseph's. I got some nice food over here. Okay, so we're gonna go back around the corner. Then I think we're gonna see St. Joseph's again up here. That's crazy. So I think St. Joseph's is it's kind of around this whole block, just engulfed all of St. Joseph's. So St. Joseph's will be on the right in a moment. Yeah, I didn't expect that. But that was kind of cool though. I mean, definitely get to see another slice of Chongqing and what it all looks like. So now we just basically went around, kind of went around the block, but not really, because we went inside and then we ended up outside. And now we're back. So St. Joseph's Church, inside of St. Joseph's Church, which we couldn't get into. And there it is right there. Pretty cool. And I guess we're gonna end it on that note.
Hey, hey, Chongqing, hey, I wanna see you, Chongqing. Show me, show me, show me.